India is on a mission to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047, a nation where innovation drives growth, opportunity empowers every citizen, and technology bridges every gap. It's a future where progress is inclusive, sustainable, and proudly made in India. Driving this transformation are India's visionary business leaders of homegrown enterprises who are redefining innovation, inclusion, and growth. From technology to sustainability, from local impact to global reach. They are the visionaries of a Viksit Bharat. TV9 Network, in association with SAP, presents Visionaries of Viksit Bharat, celebrating the minds shaping our nation's future. In this episode, we feature Tushar Mehta, the founder and CEO of Mehta Pressing, a precision-driven engineering leader powering India's manufacturing backbone. Based in Pune, Mehta Pressing specializes in high-quality sheet metal press parts and welded assemblies, serving automotive majors and advanced industrial ecosystems across the country. With a focus on innovation and world-class engineering standards, Tushar has built an organization that consistently delivers accuracy, reliability, and performance, strengthening India's position in global manufacturing. Meet the man driving precision engineering and powering India's industrial growth for Viksit Bharat 2047.
Myself, Tushar Mehta. I am founder and CEO of Mehta Pressing. We have established this company on 1994 and just 31 years we have completed this year. Yeah, and it was a long way to go. Major thing is that we are from the business family. Our father, great-grandfathers are in business for last 100 years. So naturally our DNA or blood is for the business community. We are 5 brothers. I am the youngest one. We have a traditional business in a small town. My father was running it. And then father thought, let's, instead of 5 brothers keeping in the same business, he has asked us to make a engineering, and he put in engineering college. That was his vision, to make something different looking toward the coming years. And then we have, after becoming engineering degree, then I have started looking for some business. But without any background of engineering, I thought we'll have some experience. Then I have joined Kirloskar Ali Engine in Khadki as a government training, GT. And then after 1 year, I have asked for the production and marketing department. But while confirmation, they said, no, we have to work in the spare part division. I thought this is not my idea or my future. So I left that job. Then I have joined some other engineering marketing company, where these are the big reclaimers and all for products for mines, coal mines, thermal stations, for that. I was working for 4 years. Then I thought, no, we have to start our own business. Then I met one gentleman, Mr. Jain, who was working for Tata Motors, Bajaj Tempo. Then I met him. He was doing the same what I'm doing today. So he has introduced me how to run it. Then he has given us one spark that, okay, why don't you start this business and I'll support you in the initially. One day I have decided to quit the job. I have resigned it and I have joined with him and just to start the journey. Then he has helped us. And then initially then in 1992, I have taken a plot. And I have done the construction. My father, my brothers have supported me in putting the money into business because I had nothing else. My last salary when I quit the job was 2,000 per month. That was only salary. But that was too good for in 1989-87. Then I have observed in the market with my friends, there is a huge requirement of sheet metal parts, welded assemblies, and these things. Fun that went, it was Bajaj Auto, Tata Motors. They were the big players in MIDC Bosri. Then I thought, okay, we should work with this. And then I have approached Tata Motors. Then about 2 years I was discussing with them. Then they have approved us in 1994. 1st April 1994, I have made one first commercial invoice. That was his journey. Then we got a lot of business from them. Then I start expanding myself with adding machines, adding places. And in 1997, we had a great recession. First recession we had after the globalization. But at the same time, Tata Motors has started car plant, like a new Indica they have introduced. And looking toward our quality, our performance, they have selected supplier for the car plant. Then I have started working with other customers like Whirlpool. I was discussing with them. I was chasing for them for 1.5 years. Then I have got the orders from Whirlpool. That is a different sector because Tata Motors is in automobiles, Whirlpool is in white goods. Then at the same time, I was discussing with John Deere. They are coming with 1998-99. They have come up with the new plant. Then I have approached them. They have audited us, and then we have started this. That is also one more sector, different sectors. So we have a software, we have a QMS system, quality systems, and then all these things works together. People only follow it. We have a different vertical segments for each customer, and we have one system, centralized system, which people follows it. Even quality system, production system, then raw material selection, timely supply, and with minimum inventory. That is also challenge because customer don't keep inventory at their end. We have to keep the inventory at our end, and that is a cost. So that reduce that cost, we have to keep with the minimum inventory at our end. That these are the challenges, and we work on that. So we are using a lot of software for that. Even design, we have a latest software. In our working, we have ERP. Now we are, as you know, we are discussing with SAP also, just to upgrade ourselves. But let us see how it works. Because our is an expanding organization, and in expanding organization we want system. Only human interference will not work. That is what we strongly believe. If you want to sustain the business, if you want stability, you have to adopt the AI. So what we are doing at present, we are not using it, but we have our PC Care is our software and hardware consultant who looks after all these software and all these things. We have asked him how to introduce the AI into that. Now all the analysis or Excel sheets and all those things we are going to use AI, and we are going to adopt it. I will tell you one our customer that one model they are manufacturing in US. Because of the cost competitiveness, they have got that business in India. They are manufacturing at their plant, but that time 60% parts were imported. Then we have asked them that we can develop this, we can do the import substitute for that. We'll manufacture in India and we'll supply you. That is a basic thing. So that is what we Viksit Bharat, and lot of things we are doing for boosting the government, like export orientation. So we are generating the dollar revenue or euro revenue for that. And most of the parts what we are developing, they are making in India, and we are exporting to US, which generates the business, financial revenue for the government, and that helps in Viksit Bharat. No business is bad. जो आपके मन में लगता है वो करो, वो दूसरे का अच्छा चल रहा है वो करना है, that is not a parameter. If you like, if you are interested, then do it. Then nothing is wrong. Whatever it may be, don't say if उसमें बहुत competition है, there are so many people are there, their failure rate is very high. Don't think of that. You jump it, do it, which your mind likes it. But biggest thing to get the success, we want patience. It never happen कि overnight you will become a successful, you will become a, you will expand it. No, we have to be patient. And what you have said, rightly said, most of the time the time comes like that. No, yaar, nothing has happened. I have tried everything. Now I have to quit it. But I say, my experience says that is your lowest point. Once you keep the patience and if you start struggling there again, then you will grow up. You will not go down. The time has come. That everything, this is a business of the cyclics. You have to go up, you have to come down, but your patience, your hard work, and your integrity, and you have to be loyal. Don't do shortcuts. Now nothing has happened, now so make a shortcuts, fool the customers or cheat the customers, not fool, but cheat the customers and get the business. Don't do that. So that require patience, but that definitely will pay you once. Like a food industry, you say, very small product, but you have test. If you have consistency in test, if you have without brand also, people will come and will eat your food. That is the business. That is what I want to say to new entrepreneurs. 30 years I have handled this company. Now my daughter and son has come. They are looking after the business. So we have a very strategic plan for the next 10 years. how to grow. We have 4 units at present. Our 5th unit is under construction. Within 6 months we are going to complete, and all latest technology machines we are going, and we are using all AI concepts to utilize the data, to minimize the workforce and utilize the data to make it more effective business. These are the things what we are going to plan.
Next, meet Harish Avichandani, founder and managing director of Millennium Semiconductors, a technologist with over 25 years of experience in India's electronics and semiconductor ecosystem.